Welcome to Pergola Nurseries of Virginia. I've unearthed some bulbs here that I've long forgotten we had sitting at this point. We'll put them back in when we finish planting this plant. We're planting a lovely GEUM today, and GEUMs are wonderful. Most cases start to flower in April and finish in September. There's a lovely variety called Totally Tangerine, and GEUM Totally Tangerine, May until October really flowering. Lovely tangerine flowers like that, and a really tough hardy perennial that comes back year after year. There aren't many plants that have got that really warm tangerine colour. We took out a decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom we're going to mix in there just to get the plant off to a good start. It helps to reduce transplant shock, and it will be slowly released for the plant itself. A little bit of swell compost there mixed in as well, and with a good base there for the plant. And out comes Totally Tangerine out of his pot. A little bit of teasing out, the roots can be a bit tight, and settle it in, and then a little bit of swell compost and soil for back in around it again. I better not forget these bulbs here, push them back in before we forget about them. And we've woken them from their summer slumber, and they'll be ready to flower next spring before the GEUM even thinks about waking up. So in they go there. We cover everything up together and all will be good. So that's GEUM Totally Tangerine, settled in there for years and years to come. And you know, flowering from April or May until October time, it's a fantastic length of time for colour, winter hardy, and come back year after year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy.